Germany, a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, where every corner holds a story, every street a memory, and every monument a testament to its heritage. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or just someone who loves to explore, Germany has it all. Get ready for the ultimate journey as we take you through the top 10 must-see places in this amazing country. Buckle up, because this is going to be one epic ride. Coming in at number 10, the world-famous Neuschwanstein Castle, a place that looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Built by King Ludwig II in the 19th century, this majestic castle is perched high in the Bavarian Alps. It's not just a castle, it's an experience. With its towering spires and intricate architecture, you'll feel like you've stepped into a Disney movie. Wander through rooms fit for royalty, enjoy stunning panoramic views, and maybe even imagine yourself as the king or queen of this incredible kingdom. It's no wonder that this magical place was the inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. Get ready to be awestruck. Number 9 takes us to the heart of Germany's vibrant capital, Berlin. And there, standing tall, is the iconic Brandenburg Gate. This monumental structure has seen it all: wars, revolutions, celebrations, and reunifications. Originally built in the 18th century as a symbol of peace, it became a symbol of division during the Cold War, and later, a symbol of unity when the Berlin Wall fell. Today, it stands proudly as a testament to Berlin's rich history and resilience. Take a walk beneath its impressive arches, and feel the history beneath your feet as you soak in its grandeur. Now, let's venture into the enchanting Black Forest, ranked number 8. With its deep, mysterious woods, winding trails, and fairy tale villages, the Black Forest feels like something out of a dream. But it's not just about the scenery. The region is home to centuries-old traditions, unique folklore, and of course, the famous Black Forest cake. Whether you're hiking through its dense forest, cycling along scenic routes, or exploring its charming villages like Freiburg and Baden-Baden, this region will leave you feeling like you've entered a storybook. It's the perfect place for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Next up at number 7 is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, the Cologne Cathedral. Towering over the city of Cologne, this stunning cathedral took more than 600 years to complete. Its twin spires reach toward the sky, making it one of the tallest churches in Europe. Inside, you'll be blown away by its intricate stained glass windows, breathtaking sculptures, and the famous Shrine of the Three Kings. This cathedral isn't just a church, it's a symbol of faith, history, and artistic achievement. Standing here, you can almost feel the echoes of centuries of prayers and pilgrimages. At number 6, the romantic road, Germany's most famous scenic route. This 350-kilometer stretch takes you through medieval towns, past towering castles, and through rolling hills. Starting from Würzburg and ending in the fairy-tale town of Füssen, it's a journey that feels like you've been transported back in time. Stop along the way in towns like Rothenburg ob der Tauber, with its cobblestone streets and medieval charm, or visit the famous Dinkelsbühl, where time seems to stand still. Whether you're cruising in a convertible, cycling, or just strolling, this road is an adventure every step of the way. Number 5 on our list takes us to Lake Konigssee, one of the most beautiful lakes in the world. Surrounded by the towering peaks of the Bavarian Alps, this crystal-clear lake looks like a postcard come to life. Take a boat tour on its serene waters, and you'll be treated to breathtaking views of lush forests and dramatic cliffs. Don't forget to visit the St. Bartholomew's Church, a stunning red-roofed gem on the shore. It's a place that invites you to pause, breathe, and soak in the tranquility of nature. At number 4, we head to Zugspitze, Germany's highest peak. Standing at 2,962 meters, this mountain is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Whether you're skiing or snowboarding in the winter, hiking in the summer, or just gazing at the 360-degree views of the Alps, Zugspitze offers an experience like no other. Take the Gletscherbahn cable car to the summit, and you'll feel like you're on top of the world. The panoramic views will take your breath away. It's a must-see for any thrill seeker. Number 3 is all about fun, food, and drink. Oktoberfest in Munich, the world's largest beer festival, held every year, is a celebration of Bavarian culture, and it's something you have to experience. Picture yourself clinking steins of cold beer with new friends, dancing to traditional Bavarian music, and savoring delicious pretzels, sausages, and other local specialties. Whether you're here for the rides, the food, or just the fun, Oktoberfest is one big party that will leave you with memories for a lifetime. At number 2, Sanssouci Palace in Potsdam. This Rococo palace, once the summer residence of King Frederick the Great, is a true work of art. The palace's stunning architecture is complemented by meticulously designed gardens, fountains, and terraces. Walk through the halls where kings and queens once lived, and take in the serene beauty of the surrounding gardens, which are often compared to those at Versailles. It's a perfect escape into the elegance and grandeur of 18th century royalty. And finally, at number 1, the Rhine Valley, Germany's most magical region. Stretching along the mighty Rhine River, this area is home to some of the most stunning landscapes in Europe. Picture towering castles perched on dramatic cliffs, rolling vineyards producing world-renowned wines, and charming towns like Bacharach and St. Goar that seem frozen in time. A boat cruise along the Rhine is the best way to take in the grandeur of this region. It's not just a place to see, it's a place to feel, to immerse yourself in a rich history and natural beauty that's beyond compare. Germany is a country that has something for everyone, whether you're seeking adventure, history, or simply a place to relax and take in the views. From castles and cathedrals to mountains and festivals, there's no shortage of incredible experiences waiting for you. So, which of these amazing destinations will you visit first? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because there's always more to explore, and we'll be here to take you on every exciting journey. Adventure is just a click away. See you on the road.